Magnaflow is a company that's been in the business of building exhaust for about 35 years. And really, we started off as a company that was in the emissions world and evolved into what is today known as Magnaflow, the performance exhaust company. We do cover everything from header all the way to tailpipe. This means we do have certified 50-state legal headers. We do have emissions compliant federal and California catalytic converters. And of course, we have all varieties of exhaust systems ranging from your truck to your car and now even the motorcycle world. When it comes to building products, Magnaflow always puts first to market first. We want to make sure that we have the best quality equipment, which means we have the people in manufacturing to do so. But we also want to make sure that the consumers get the products when they're most excited about them. When it comes to 2015, obviously, we had all the 2015 pre-production cars to evaluate well before the actual consumer gets them, so we can create some prototypes and really figure out what we can do with the exhaust systems. This means evaluating horsepower, sound, and of course nowadays even considering some things like economy. Magnaflow is just that. We want to be everything and be everywhere. This means, of course, we have to have the support team. Our sales staff is pretty much at every event you can possibly imagine. Car enthusiasts, well, guess what? We are those too. So that means we're already at the places you will find the best cars and, of course, the coolest things to do for car people. When it comes to engineering now, well, it's a whole different thing. It's a passion. We've got people inside that are really capable of addressing what they want, which really is a function of what our consumers want. We're building power, we're building quality, and of course, we're doing all this right here in Southern California, made in the USA. We're really an open book company. When it comes to building exhaust systems, there really isn't this black magic. I know when you look at performance parts, it's like, how do you maximize power? It really comes down to the science of it. And when you look at our capabilities as a manufacturer, it also comes from what we do in research and engineering. We take everything down to its minimum. We test what the manufacturers have, we replicate it, we then do a process, and that process is carried out from beginning to end for every product line we have. If we can't make the power, we can't have the appropriate sound, it doesn't have the fitment, there's no purpose in making it. So the one thing we can always guarantee is when you have a Magnaflow product that you're buying at a consumer level, it's got all those qualities built in. Magnaflow's sound is just that. It's a Magnaflow sound. We've been very careful of making sure that the mufflers and the way we pack them, the materials that we use, generate that low kind of deep sound that you would expect. There's a lot of different ways you can make a car sound, and really what we're doing is enhancing what comes out of the motor, but how we tweak it, and again, how we kind of shape that, gives it that distinct note. So when you do hear that car going down the road, whether car or truck, you definitely hear a Magnaflow sound. Apart from the big splash that Ford's made for 2015, Magnaflow has a lot coming out too. In 2015, we have some new technologies we're incorporating. Obviously, we've been dabbling in the world of headers, and we've got some more technology that we've developed proprietary for that, but really we're looking into delving into that customer that wants performance exhaust. And in today's market, whether you're looking at cars like the Corvette or some of the BMW M3, M4 line products, they have factory integrated valves. Some of these valves control performance, some of them are for emissions, and again, we want to make sure that they're there for some sound quality as well. We ran into a few problems in development with regards to integrating a factory valve into an aftermarket exhaust system without actually being a reduction in power because of the restriction. So actually now in-house we're building some of our own valves at the dimensions that we find optimal for enhancing power. These products are going to be available, what you'll see in the C7 product lineup, the BMW M3 and M4, and moving forward you're going to find this trickle down into some of our new proprietary components that will allow you to control sound in your Mustang or Camaro. We've always been involved with the BMW and Audi market, and for the most part the German car market's really always been interested in a performance system that enhances power but again doesn't have a lack of quality. Our stainless steel construction and the straight through designs have always been very conducive to those things. In the end, what we've done is we've come and seen what our consumers wanted, and we've now provided another level. We're offering multiple finishes, of course engineering specific valves to enhance power and or design characteristics over what the OEMs have done, and we're really pushing into really the top end vehicles. The M series are really going to be our platform push for the BMWs. In the Audis, we're looking for the S lines. As we're going into some of the newer markets, we're also going to be entertaining the idea of the new Porsche market as well. So we got some exciting things for the German car consumer coming very soon. Magnaflow's header product line starts with, of course, 50 state legal. We're looking at covering all the pony cars. This is your Camaros, your Mustangs, and of course the Challengers and Chargers from the Dodge line. All in all, we're looking for things that are going to maximize power, but keep the emissions control and obviously all the computer controls happy while integrating. We're looking at making some double-digit power, and of course having that fitment that you expect, and of course with a little bit of that Magnaflow touch, you're getting that ceramic titanium coating, which makes the finish look everything you're looking for inside that engine compartment. All this technology was derived from one place. That's our consumer. We have some of the most demanding consumers who want top quality and the best performance. And really, one of the things that's great about being a part of Magnaflow is the fact that you can see all that, whether you're visiting our Facebook site at Facebook/Magnaflow, or even at our website, where we have all the information you can find about dyno charts, sound clips, and just about anything you want to know about our products. And again, that's at www.magnaflow.com.